Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we dive deep into the latest automotive news, reviews, and everything related to two wheels and four. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our fresh content every week. Now let's jump into today's review. We're talking about the much anticipated 2026 Suzuki Raider, a bike that's stirring up a lot of buzz in the world of motorcycles. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why. Let's start with a quick overview of the 2026 Suzuki Raider. For those of you who may not be familiar with the Suzuki Raider line, this is one of Suzuki's most popular Underbone motorcycles, particularly in markets like Southeast Asia. Known for its sporty design, compact size, and powerful engine, the Raider has always been a great option for those looking for a nimble, fun ride that's also practical for daily commuting. But in 2026, Suzuki has taken things to a whole new level. From cutting-edge technology to performance upgrades, the Raider has undergone significant changes. Whether you're a die-hard Suzuki fan or a motorcycle enthusiast in general, you're going to want to know all about this latest iteration. So, let's break it down, starting with its design and looks. The 2026 Raider stands out immediately with its aggressive and sporty styling. Suzuki has kept the compact Underbone format, but with sharper lines and more modern design elements. The front end, for instance, has been completely revamped with a sleek, angular headlamp design. The LED lighting setup gives it a more futuristic look, with bright, crisp light that improves visibility and gives the Raider a bold presence on the road. One of the standout features on the 2026 Raider is its revised bodywork. The side panels have a more muscular, streamlined appearance. The tank design is more pronounced, giving it a more aggressive, sportier profile while still retaining that compact feel. The combination of metallic paint finishes and sporty decals really adds to its overall aesthetic. The bike's proportions have been adjusted for a more balanced look. It's not overly bulky, yet it exudes a sense of power. The new alloy wheels, paired with wider tires, further enhance its aggressive stance, ensuring that the 2026 Raider looks just as fast standing still as it does on the move. Moving on to the heart of the machine, the engine. Suzuki has equipped the 2026 Raider with a more powerful and efficient engine compared to its predecessors. We're talking about a 150cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, four-stroke engine that's built for both speed and efficiency. For those who are fans of quick acceleration, you're going to love this. Suzuki has made improvements to the engine's tuning for better low-end torque, ensuring that the Raider is quick off the line. But don't let the 150cc engine fool you. The Raider is still capable of pushing impressive top speeds, especially in urban environments where its agility and lightness shine. Thanks to its fuel injection system, the Raider offers better fuel efficiency, giving you more miles per gallon compared to older models. This is a big plus if you're planning on using it as a daily commuter. The handling is also superb, thanks to the new suspension setup, which we'll talk about shortly. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Suzuki Raider really delivers. With a lightweight frame and low center of gravity, this bike is incredibly agile. Whether you're weaving through traffic or taking sharp corners, the Raider feels stable and confident. Suzuki has also upgraded the suspension system for 2026. The front end now features telescopic forks with better dampening, which means improved ride comfort even on rougher roads. The rear suspension is now monoshock, offering more support and better overall handling. It also helps with the bike's ability to stay planted when taking high-speed corners or aggressive turns. What's great about the Raider is that despite its sporty performance, it still has enough comfort for those long rides, thanks to the suspension changes. Whether you're riding around the city or hitting the open road, the Raider's suspension ensures a smooth experience. Now, let's talk about the tech packed into this 2026 model. Suzuki has definitely raised the bar with the Raider in this department. For starters, the 2026 Raider comes equipped with a full digital instrument cluster, which is a major upgrade from the analog ones seen in earlier models. The display is bright, easy to read, and includes a wealth of information, from speed and fuel consumption to trip data, gear position, and even a shift indicator. It's all displayed in a clean, minimalist layout that's both functional and stylish. But that's not all. The Raider also comes with Suzuki's advanced ride control system, which helps improve traction and stability, especially in wet or slippery conditions. This system uses sensors to monitor the road surface and adjust the power delivery accordingly, ensuring that you maintain control no matter the weather. Another key feature of the 2026 Raider is its smart key system, which adds convenience and security. You can unlock and start the bike without ever taking the key out of your pocket, thanks to the proximity sensor. This makes life a lot easier for riders who are always on the go. Let's not forget about the braking system. The 2026 Raider comes with disc brakes on both the front and rear, paired with a combined braking system, CBS, for better stability and shorter stopping distances. The braking performance is excellent, and the CBS ensures that even in emergency situations, you have complete control. When it comes to ergonomics, the 2026 Suzuki Raider strikes a nice balance between sporty and comfortable. The seat is designed to provide adequate support for both short and long-distance rides. It's well padded, and the rider's triangle is designed to keep you in an upright position for a more comfortable commute. The footpeg position is just right, not too high or too low, giving you a natural, comfortable riding posture. The handlebars are slightly wider compared to previous models, which gives you better control and maneuverability, especially in tight traffic situations. The ergonomics of the Raider make it a perfect bike for new riders, while still offering the kind of performance that seasoned riders will appreciate. As I mentioned earlier, the fuel injection system improves the Raider's overall fuel efficiency. With a 4.5-liter fuel tank, the 2026 Suzuki Raider can easily cover more than 250 kilometers on a single tank, depending on how you ride. For city commuters, this is a big deal. You won't have to stop at the gas station as often, which is great for both time and money. Even with a powerful engine and more performance-oriented features, Suzuki has made sure that the Raider is still practical for daily use. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or taking a weekend ride, the 2026 Raider has the range and efficiency to get you where you need to go without breaking the bank at the pump. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Suzuki Raider is expected to be priced competitively in the Underbone category, likely ranging between $2,000 and $2,500 in USD, depending on the market and specific trim. Of course, the final price could vary by region, but considering its features, performance, and overall value, the Raider offers a solid bang for your buck. As for availability, Suzuki is expected to release the 2026 Raider in Southeast Asian markets first, with availability expanding to other regions in the following months. If you're interested in picking one up, it's best to check with your local Suzuki dealers to get the most accurate information about when it will be available in your area. So, there you have it, the 2026 Suzuki Raider. It's a huge step forward for the Raider lineup, blending performance, technology, and style into a compact, lightweight, and efficient motorcycle. Whether you're a first-time rider or an experienced enthusiast, this bike has something to offer everyone. From its sporty design to its modern tech features and efficient engine, the Raider continues to be one of the best options in its class. If you're in the market for a fun, reliable, and practical Underbone motorcycle, the 2026 Raider should definitely be on your radar. It's a perfect balance between performance and practicality, and it's clear that Suzuki has put a lot of thought into this new iteration. Well, that wraps up today's review of the 2026 Suzuki Raider. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have any thoughts or questions about the new Raider? Drop them in the comments below. I love reading your feedback, and I'll do my best to respond to as many as I can. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe, and keep the rubber side down.